Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin with power and access. Make sure the Karbonn has at least 20% battery or is plugged in so you won't interrupt the process. Once ready, unlock your phone and swipe down from the top edge to reveal quick settings. This is faster than digging through menus. Look immediately for the airplane icon or the label flight mode. Tapping that tile will toggle the mode, so start here as your first actionable step to restore normal network behavior. Now you switch off flight mode. Tap the airplane icon once and wait 3 to 5 seconds for radios to reinitialize. You should see Wi-Fi and mobile data icons return. If the quick settings tile isn't available, open Settings, choose Network and Internet or Connections, and toggle airplane mode off there. Make sure to re-enable Wi-Fi or mobile data if they stay disabled. This step restores the phone's radio functions, so calls and data can resume normally. Finish by verifying connectivity. Check signal bars, try a quick call, or load a web page to confirm service. If networks do not return, restart the phone. Rebooting forces the radio modules to re-register with carriers. Once done, make sure roaming or carrier settings are correct if you still lack service. If signals seem stuck, toggle airplane mode on for 2 seconds and then off again. That quick retry often clears temporary radio or software glitches without deeper troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.